promise I can change.
Then why didn't you take the job that Louis Netz offered you at Boeing?
They wouldn't hire me because of my war record.
Your war record?
You're the only one
keeping
that
that alive. For everyone else, it's ancient history.
You expect me to
You
believe that?
It's the truth.
What bothers us is your record since the war.
Different cities, different jobs, and not one of them shows you can accept any real responsibility.
Elaine, if you just give me one more...
It's too late, Ted.
We have a visitor.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
This is Captain Wilson and our first officer, Mr. Stewart, and this is Mr. Stryker and his son, Joey.
Oh, hi, Joey.
Come on up here, you can see better.
Joey,
here's something we give our special visitors. Would you like to have it?
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir. I've never been up in a plane before.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
Try it again with me, Ellen. Just try.
Elaine, just hear me out. I know things
haven't been right for a long time, Ellen.
It'll be different. Like it was in the beginning.
I remember everything. Mostly I remember the nights when we were together. I remember how you used to hold me.
And then afterwards, how we
watched till the sun came up. When it did, it was almost like
each new day was created.
Each new day was created only for us.
That's the way I've always wanted it to be, Elaine.
Would you like a little whiskey, ma'am?
Certainly not.
Yes?
I can't stand it.
What is it?
Oh, what is this?
Oh, it's my stomach.
Just see if we get you some Dramamine.
Captain, one of the women passengers is very sick.
They're sick?
I think so, but I've never seen it so acute.
Find out if there's a doctor on board as quietly as you can. Joey, have you ever been in a Turkish prison?
Stewardess?
Yes.
I think the man sitting next to me is a doctor.
Sir, excuse me,
sir. I'm sorry I have to wake you.
Are you a doctor?
That's right.
We have a passenger who's very sick. Could you come and take a look at her?
Yes, of course.
You'd better tell the captain we've got to land as soon as we can. This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
What do you think it is?
It's a big building with patients, but that's not important right now.
What is it, Doctor? What's happening?
What was it we had for dinner tonight?
Well, the main course was meat or fish.
Yes, I remember. I had lasagna.
What did he
have?
Fish.
Stewardess, my wife is very sick. Can you do something, please?
Stewardess, my husband's very sick. Can you do something, please?
Well, the doctor will be with you in just a moment.
One thing. Do you know what he had for dinner?
Yes, of course. We both had fish.
Why?
Oh,
It's nothing to be alarmed about.
We'll be back to you very quickly.
I want the weather on every kind of landing field on their side of the mountains. Do you understand? Any place where there's a chance to land this plane.
Can you remember
You're a member of this crew.
Can you face some unpleasant facts?
I think so.
No.
Unless
I get all these people to a hospital quickly,
I can't even be sure
I can't even be sure of saving their lives.
Excuse me, sir. There's been a little problem in the cockpit.
The cockpit? What is it?
It's the little room in the front of the plane where the pilots sit. That's not important right now. You see, the first officer is ill, and the captain needs someone to help him with radio. Do you know anything about planes?
Well, I flew in the war. It was years ago.
Long time ago.
I wouldn't know anything about it.
Would you go up?
Could you go up, please?
The stewardess
said both pilots.
Can you
Can
fly
you fly this plane and land it?
It's a different kind of flying altogether.
Stryker,
I know nothing about
flying.
All I
There's
know
one
is
thing I do know.
you're the only
You're the only one on this plane who can possibly fly it. You're the only chance we've got.
Well, that's the whole story, Martin. Everything we know. All right, Harry, let's face a few facts. As you know, I flew with this man Stryker during the war. You'll have a million things on his mind without being reminded of those days when things weren't so good. Right now, things aren't so good. I want you to get on the horn and talk this guy down. Now, you're going to have to let him get the feel of this airplane on the way. And so help me, you'll have to talk him right down to the ground. Stryker, this is Captain Martin Treleaven speaking.
Yes, Captain Treleaven. I read you loud and clear. Go ahead.
All right, it's obvious you remember me.
What do you say you and I just forget about everything except what we have to do now?
Let's not kid each other, Treleaven. You know I've never flown a bucket like this. I'm going to need all the luck there is.
Flying is no different than riding a bicycle.
Just a lot harder to put baseball cards in the spokes.
What kind of weather you up there?
Rain.
Little ice.
And a
And a
little
little ice.
How did you handle now, Stryker?
Sluggish. Like
a wet sponge.
Wet sponge.
Sluggish.
Like a wet sponge.
Tell him we're coming into some heavy clouds and we'll be on instruments.
Dispatchers to remain at the post. It's going to be a long night.
Johnny, how about some more coffee?
No thanks.
Hello?
Mrs. Over?
Yes, this is Mrs. Over.
This is John Arnold. is calling from the airport. There's some trouble on your husband's flight.
I've got to go to the airport. You can let yourself out the back door. There's juice in the refrigerator. I can't stand it anymore. I've got to get out of here. I've got to get out of here.
Down. Listen, you follow me. I'm trying to help you. I won't let me go.
All right, leave her to me.
Bad news. The fog's getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
All right, Stryker, you better stay up there for a bit.
No dice, Chicago. I'm giving the orders and we're coming in.
Dr.
Rumack
says the sick people are in critical condition
and every minute counts.
Don't be a fool, Stryker. You know what a landing like this means. You more than anybody.
That's right. But we've got to come in.
I'm ordering you to stay up there.
I guess the foot's on the other hand now, isn't it, Kramer?
Stand by, Stryker. I'm going to the tower.
Good luck.
And good luck.
We're going to the tower.
We're on the way up now.
Tower! The tower! Rapunzel! Rapunzel!
Tower to all emergency vehicles. Runway is 9er.
Airport interstate positions number 1 and 2.
Civilian equipment
Number 3.
Number 3.
Your husband and the others are alive, but
unconscious.
Just like Gerald Ford.
Now, there's a good chance we can save them if Stryker can get this plane
that plane down in time.
That isn't really much of a chance, is it?
I just want to tell you both good luck.
We're all counting on you.
There he is. The brakes. Pull that right handle.
Ariel, look behind Return! It's a twister! It's a twister!
Stryker, you all right?
You all right?
Yeah. We're okay.
Ted,
that
was probably the lousiest landing in the history of this airport. But there's some of us here, particularly me, would like to buy you a drink and shake your hand.